Now, GC Foster College retained their hold on the Intercollegiate women's football title after defeating the University of the West Indies in the final. Akila Marsh opened the scoring in the 23rd minute to give GC Foster College the lead. However, UWI equalized from the penalty spot in minute 39 through Caitlin Sams. But GC Foster College went ahead again just before halftime, Captain Abigail Mullings scoring the second in the 44th minute. And Tassina Clark wrapped up proceedings in the 75th minute.
Well, we had the intention to win from the first time we draw with them 3-3 at UE. So we came out with our all to win this time.
Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I have a very young team. A lot of first years, second years, and maybe 2, 3, 4 years. A very disciplined team, very disciplined and hard-working team. They really wanted it this year, and so they went and got it.
Leroy Brown is the competition's director at Intercol.
Hurricane Melissa, it kind of dampened the spirits of the teams. However, we had rebound and rebounds how we could then get this competition back. When we started back, we had to revisit the format because of the limited time, because the schools are going into exam period, so we had to make some changes. So we say kudos to the teams who stick to us. We had only 5 teams this year, so we played a round robin, and then the top 2 teams went to the finals, which included GC Foster